Hi, my name is Ballet Renata, and for today I have a new page in the Perfect Size journal from Art by Marlene. Here you can see my Art by Marlene acrylic paints swatch, and I am using it to choose the colors with which I am going to work for today's project. And after mixing my paints for a while and adding some white splatters, you can see how my page turned out. Now, for this project I wanted a bold sentiment, so I used Creative Alphabet from Art by Marlene, and this way I emphasized only one word from the whole quote. For the word magic, I will stamp and cut out the letters, but for the rest of the sentiment I will use Art by Marlene sticky quotes. The next step for me was to assemble my page, and for that I first planned out how my frame will be standing and the rest of the elements. Now I wanted to make my moon glow, so for that reason you can see me here marking the position of it with a simple pencil, so I would know exactly where to put the glow effect. For this purpose I chose to work with soft pastels because they are really easy to work with and give a really nice effect, and you can always correct if you don't like how it turns out. I used yellow and white soft pastel, and I repeated the same process for my fairy's wings. Now that I had my glow effect ready, it was time to assemble my project. First I'm starting with gluing my frame and then the rest of the elements, and for this purpose I am using Art by Marlene sticky glue. The biggest challenge for me in this project was actually making the nice night sky background, and to be honest it lasted quite a while for me, so that's why I didn't put it in this video. But if you are interested to see it, I can anytime make such video tutorial for you. Anyway, that's it from me for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and see you next time. Bye!